YouTube, what it do? As y'all can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna be talking about how to take the oil pan out of a 2012, 2011, 2014 Dodge Charger. You know what I'm saying? These the bolts. Most of the bolts is 15s and 10 millimeters. You can see here, all those 10s go in the bottom of the oil pan. All the way around. All the way around. I haven't took the gasket off yet. The gasket gonna be taken off next. So let me get under here and show y'all what I did. Don't be like me with this jack too. I know somebody in the comments gonna say something about it, but hey, I'm gonna take a chance today for the video. So what I had did was this steering column, I had to drop the steering column. Y'all might have to do it too, more than likely. So the steering column, you push it back. If you push it back, it goes here. It goes in here. Hook that up, you gotta disconnect it. And then I drop this bar right here. This bar goes into these brackets. Damn, let me get the camera, my bad, fellas. They go in the back of here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they go right in the back of there. Then, what you gotta do too, like I said, take all the bolts out, going all around it. Some of them might be hard for you to get in there with. It was probably like 2 bolts for real, that's technical. Then, the 15-meter bolts go right here. Got one here, you got one back there. All the ones that connect to the oil pan, not the ones that connect to the transmission. So all the ones that go from the transmission to the oil pan. It's probably about a good 4 of them, 2 on each side. Then, let me get back up. What y'all had to do too, do this part after you could disconnect everything and get all the bolts. Like I said, it's like 4 bolts on each side. Not 4, but yeah, 4 bolts on each side. And then you have to drop your starter. Not your starter, but your starter. So you have to disconnect your starter. As you can see, that will have to come out too. You have to disconnect that to get you some room. And also, you have to come on the top of the engine and disconnect these 2 engine mount bolts. There's one in the front, one in the back, on both sides. Disconnect them, and then you have to get another jack. You had to get a jack with a piece of wood or something, and jack on top of the engine and lift it up just a little bit so where you can have enough room to pull the pan out. Cause we was down here for like probably 3-4 hours trying to wiggle the pan out. Pan wouldn't come out because it wasn't enough clearance. Then I was like, bro, let me get on YouTube and watch a video. And I seen, they said take the engine mount bolts out. I said, ain't that about a bitch? So, you did that, and it slid out perfect. So, then there it is. And as y'all can tell, or if you're new to these videos, I'm doing a cam kit on my car. So we have everything taken out. As y'all can see, we about to put that hog master in here. Yeah, man. So that's what I would do. That'll be it's a long video if I would have recorded. Cause like I said, I didn't know what I was doing. This is my first time doing this type of work. You know what I'm saying? Got all my tools, all my parts back here. Everything gotta get replaced, man. So, yeah, that's to sum it down, dumb it down just a little bit. Like I say, you'll have to take your starter off, or take the bolts out of your starters. 3 bolts you have to take out, and you'll be able to drop it or lift it up and get it out the way. Take that out, your engine mount bolts, 2 on each side, and then all your 10mm bolts all the way around. And then you will have, like I say, your steering column, and then that bar right there. I'm not sure what the hell that bar is, so if somebody knows what that is, leave it in the comments. You have to drop that bar as well. And then you should be able to slide it out. And I slid it out. You have enough clearance to slide it out right through here and drop it straight out. Once you do that, you will have to lift your engine up though, just slightly, enough for you to have enough clearance to slide that pan out. Because if not, you're gonna be sitting down there just tugging with it the whole time. Like what we was doing that for 2 hours, literally tugging. Couldn't get it. We like, what the hell is it connected to? Long story short, had to take your engine mount bolts. So do that. And it'll be a sum it up. I'll be back for the next video for y'all boys. I know I'm sorry for not showing y'all the process on everything for real, but hey man, I'm gonna try to get something out for y'all, just so y'all can see that I'm working on the car at least, you know what I'm saying? So it's getting there. I'm not just sitting here not doing anything for real. So about to get back into rewrapping. I ain't gonna talk about it. You know what I'm saying? If y'all was paying attention in the video, y'all probably caught a hint of something that's in here, because I probably showed it on camera without knowing. So anyway, man, love y'all boys, man. Y'all be safe. I'll be back with another video.